How to restore your Microsoft Teams and Groups data. Your business-critical Exchange data is vulnerable to data loss due to malware, ransomware, human and system errors, and malicious deletion. In a recent study, it was found that 81% of companies surveyed lost Microsoft 365 data, and only 15% were able to recover it without a third-party backup service. In this video, we will show you how to restore your data quickly and seamlessly with Cloud Ally's backup, which reduces downtime and ensures business continuity. Cloud Ally Backup offers multiple recovery options, including point-in-time and using granular search with keywords. You can also recover across users and organizations. You do need an activated backup with Cloud Ally to be able to recover your data. Let's get started. Click Recovery from the navigation panel. The Restore and Download page is displayed with all your active backup details. Click the Microsoft 365 Backup task from which you wish to recover the data. This page displays all of your Microsoft groups and teams that are backed up, with details such as name, last backup date, and available actions. Your backed up data is ready for restore or export from this page. You can filter the list to find the right one using the following options. Enter a phrase in the search field for a list of all the groups or teams matching the phrase. You can filter accounts by statuses from the drop-down list. Once you have located the correct group or team, click the arrow in the Action column to restore or export. In this Microsoft 365 Teams and Groups video, you learned how to use the powerful tools that Cloud Ally provides you with to locate the exact backed up data you would like to recover. Click on the links after this video to learn more about restoring, exporting, and itemized searching of Microsoft Teams and Groups data. Thanks for watching.